Yeah, what we are going to look at now is the last of the business solutions. And this last of the business solutions is what we call reciprocal cost allocation. Now, reciprocal cost allocation is a very important application, especially for accountants in the industry, manufacturing sectors, where they accumulate costs both in service department as well as in production departments, which are then shared and or kind of allocated according to absorbed according to how they contributed to the cost in a particular cost center. So it is a kind of a headache trying to go through this, but with this automation, it will help to reduce the stress of the accountants and also make it more accurate. So in this one, we have reciprocal cost allocation, and when we click it, it will bring out let's see what it's going to bring out next. Yeah, and then let's see, we are going to see what it's going to bring out next. Yeah, so okay, your input data using the format shown on the screen. Okay, so we should prepare our input data using the format shown on the screen and save the data in Excel sheet in the C value stack. This is one of the data in the business solution that you have to save with the modern version of Excel file format, that is with XLSX, not with the 93 2000 and with the 97 2003 version. You have to save it with the latest XLSX format. So that is what it said. Now let us look at what they are trying to tell us. Okay, he said that we should prepare our data set to look like this. Now, if A, B, C, D, and so on and so forth, up to J are the departments, and then you have ratios that affect them. So you can see this, assuming that this A, B, C, D up to J are the departments. Then these are the costs. The service departments here are A, B, C, D, E, F. So, and they have accumulated costs, which is the first one here, which have to be allocated to the production department. But that is after they have also done some reciprocal allocations among themselves. Yeah, because for instance, canteen serves other departments, both service and the production departments, and they incur costs that is also used to serve them. Therefore, their own cost, canteen's cost, has to be shared by others too. Then the clinic also have its own cost, which other service departments also share, and so on and so forth. So this is the principle here. And now these are the way you can prepare this your ratios. These are the ratios of sharing between the departments. So A shares to A 0. A shares to B 0.07. A shares to C 0.05. A shares to D 0.07. A shares to E 0.07. A shares to F 0.15. A shares to G 0.12. A shares to H 0.18. A shares to I 0.15. A shares to J 0.14. The same thing with B. B shares to A 0.03, shares to B 0, and then it means just like that until you get to the last one. Now we have to just click this information off because it has served its purpose. Information has served its purpose. So now this is just what we are talking about. Now you can see the last 4 are the production department, just like we have the last 4 here. They have their own cost too, which they accumulated. But because they are the production, they are the one that bears the brunt of the whole thing. Because in costing, we have to the cost starts from the production. After every other cost has been passed on to it, then for them to be able to now determine the cost per unit of a particular batch, of a product. So now, having done this, we have we agree that we are going to do it the way they have said it. Now, and there is actually a file that we have prepared that way. Now let us just open that file so that we can see it. File call it re-allocation. Let me look for it. This is the file here. Yeah, reciprocal allocation, that's it. So now let's open it and see how it is. You can see now. No, I don't think that is not. That's it. Now this is it. That's the reciprocal allocation file. You can see these are up to what we have there, and then here also. Now let us now use this to analyze what we want to analyze. We have to minimize this so that we can see what we are doing. I think this particular one has served its purpose. It has to go. Yeah, so now we have to minimize this one too. Now remaining just this. Now in this particular place, it's not asking us for the data file name. So, and it has suggested exactly what we have there. So let us click OK and see whether it is going to give us what we want. It has already done it. So now let's see. Okay, this is it. Okay, now Yeah, so that's how it starts from here. So, and then it starts with the cost dictionary that holds the crisscross of the reciprocal allocations, and then at the end of the whole thing, it now gives its own verdict. And now the next level, then you have reciprocal allocation for cost center A, this, cost center B, cost center C. These are the reciprocal allocations. Then total of service cost center reciprocal allocations. And then it now comes on to total cost for G, H, I, and J, which are the production departments. Now, the grand total is exactly what you have here. Then the performance, why are we even doing this? The objective of doing this is just to be able to get data for performance evaluation. Now, the performance evaluation data is here as stated. Look at it. Total cost attributable to cost center A is this, and then what is the percentage? That is 5.06. Then to B is 2 million, this, which is 12.27. Then to C is 3.7 million, which is 17 point this. Then to D is 3.4 million, which is 16 point this. Then to E is 3.149 million, which is 15.0. And then to F, which is 7.7 million, that's 7 million, which is 33.52% of all. Then the total for service cost centers is 20,887,397.5. And then it's telling us that the reciprocal cost allocation data have been saved to this. Now, this will be very useful to accountants who are in the industry, very, very useful to them. So for those who are just doing maybe online consultancy and research that may not be opportune to work in the industries, this may not apply to them. But in any case, it is good to have the knowledge of it, and VSP is here to give you the best of it. Thank you.